Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Bring a relaxing atmosphere to any room with this beautiful Himalayan salt lamp.
The second I saw this lamp, I knew I had to have it. These green Himalayan salt rocks on this beautiful little wooden base. It is so simple, but it is just the most beautiful thing you can add to virtually any room. It is so simple with this USB plug-in, and all you have to do is place your rocks directly into this little glass container, and you can plug in this LED light anywhere, and you get this gorgeous, relaxing glow from the rocks, and you get this relaxing atmosphere from the Himalayan salt, as well as you can add any of your essential oils straight to the rocks themselves, and it will slowly emit the smell from them. It lasts for days, and it just is the most beautiful, soothing thing to have in any room. I love that this comes in a bunch of different colors. I didn't realize I could get green, and I was so happy about it. I am completely obsessed with this lamp, and I think everyone needs one.
I think this is the perfect thing to add to any room to create a beautiful, relaxing atmosphere, and that is my point of view.